so we will get this.
Auditorium कौन सा floor है?
First floor.
और स्टाक हमारे तो लाइट भी कोई सही है.
Use of drones in this technology of this modern world, and we have observed as Akash Drishti that drone is essential for defense. And I'll just give you a little bit of like examples of the drone uses. I'll just go through it. Like in 2020, the US killed one key commander-in-chief. Like moving forward, in 2022, recently the Ukraine sank the most powerful ship of the Russian Federation by using a drone. And we can see that the drone manufacturers, top 5, they are all from either China or America. And even recently, the PM Modi himself said that he has promised to make the entire drone hub by 2030. And Army also, like 1 week ago, tested the first drone swarm. And IIF is set to test the next one, which going forward. So basically, and the market, if we look at it, then 70% of the market is taken by the defense, military. So we have seen a very, like important use of the drones. Like example, drone is very cheap, cheaper than a soldier at least. And drones are flexible. They can be used for military, for agriculture, for infrastructure. There's a lot of flexible with that. It's strategic advantage. Like you can combine it with the artillery. Artillery unit is combined with the drone, then they can precisely attack the enemy units. So what I've seen, and moving forward, it's very essential. In this modern warfare, without drones, I don't think defense is complete. I don't think drone is complete without defense is complete without a drone. And the situation in India is that there is no investment in drones. There is no technology, there is no research and development, and there is a communication gap between the lawmakers. So this is the situation in India, and we want to change that. We here at Akash Drishti want to solve the research and development part of this problem. And so the Akash Drishti, which is a research ideation, our goal is that we want to create association of researchers and experts and all the enthusiasts who are interested. And we are also going to, our goal is to do the top think tank and also collectively organize awareness campaigns or in workshops and etc. And our business model, Akash Drishti's business model is, I have taken inspiration from Dr. Frank. It's a model of the multiple layers. So what happens is that our business, it will be in different layers. The first layer will be free and open access to everyone. This is need an email. And we can get advertisement revenue from that. And everyone can access free things from there, like courses and all. And in this second year, we're gonna have some payment of courses, like if you want to attend some workshop, like paid workshops, you can take that. And in the third, we're gonna have subscribers. And in the fourth, we're going to have our full participants. So basically, this is our business model. And there will be non-community members and the community members. The subscriptions ones are community members. And yeah, this is our team here at Akash Drishti. I'm looking forward to increasing our team, expanding our team. Thank you very much. Data is lacking behind the field. I've noticed that. And it's very important that we increase the awareness of the drone field.
Do you know, apart from the defense use cases, that every time we think of drone tech, there are multiple use cases in drone tech?
Yes.
Can you name a few?
Yeah, of course. We have seen recently. I saw a video of agricultural use, like a big drone. In China, I was in China. Like there's a lot of innovation going on, but in India, we haven't even seen anything like that. It's very sad.
Okay, Sagar, and can you tell me if you know any of the drone tech companies that they not
Not really see that, but I do know a few Indian companies.
I think Sagar, you can just work on the research part of your setup. I mean, like you said, very precise. I'm sure, I mean, you will work out. But Sagar, there are two prominent companies based in Assam. One is Ska, I forgot the full name. They're based in Guwahati. Another one is from Calcutta. I again forgot the name, but they actively working with this department.
for the development of the country. So what a company is, focus on a single goal, group of people working together for a single goal. So my goal, our goal here at Akash Drishti is to increase the awareness, research, innovation in the drones in India.
So you will do only the R&D?
Most of the R&D, like workshops in different universities, perhaps.
Means, do you find any solution how you cater the drones to the customers? Means the normal customers from the all over India, apart from defense, agricultural sector.
Yeah, we have not thought of it yet because our main goal is in defense currently.
Because just I have a suggestion, because in defense, many companies are who is targeting for the defense sector. Yeah, if I suggest you, if you can do something out of the defense sector for normal human beings, normal customers who is presently over all residing all over Northeast, or you can target Northeast also. But there is one major flow is there. It's major. Suppose you think like my company. Okay, I want to deliver drones. I deliver food on drones. If the people collect the drones, collect the food from one sector, but deliver the customer, then how you solve that problem? So that if you can find that, because if you see drones in our state, Assam, particularly, what if you see drones? It's like mechanic. People want to use them. People want to use the drones like they get food for delivery food to the customer for drones, and they will keep the drones. How will rectify that? How will solve that problem?
Thank you very much.
You're saying a very, the reality of.
This is the reality, because they will keep their drone and they will keep putting in their home. How it will connect to the customer? How will bring their drones again to your company? Because they can throw stones also to the drones. Because we normally do like that. Whenever you see something different, then we want to go through it. What is this? So how will solve that problem? If you can come to across this, then we will go.
Thank you very much, sir, for your suggestion.
You do two things. First, define your target market. Do a granular profiling, right? Once you have defined your target market, I would also suggest you to figure out who is going to be your end user. Because if it's going to be your R&D think tank, your end user is going to be a completely different market versus what we are saying is going to be a completely different market. So maybe right now at this stage, you can do a granular profiling of the target market. Define your end
Yes,
user.
first of all, define your target customer.
Yeah.
You are going to supply in common language. You are going to supply the defense, or you are going to normal आदमी लोग को अब सप्लाई करेंगे या किसी और को सप्लाई करेंगे? ये ड्रोन सबको चाहिए. Not only in this defense, drones आपका for wedding shoot also they need drones. But for that also some criteria is there from government. You can't use drones everywhere. Because बहुत सा आपका problem भी होते हैं low makers. वो आप find कर लीजिए.
Thank you, sir, and ma'am, for your suggestion. Thank you.
I would like to connect with you. Please do connect with me. I have some
Do the
videos.
LinkedIn.
Please connect with
You
me,
are
sir.
like that.
Yeah, thank you very much.